All right, 7th graders, quiet please. We're going to talk about space figures, and these are 3-dimensional figures. And we're going to talk about how to draw them on a 2-dimensional space. So how to draw them and what kind of parts they have. So a net drawing is a 2-dimensional drawing of the figure. Okay? Some of you may remember how to draw a box, for example. A 3-dimensional box on a 2-dimensional figure. Okay? Oh yeah, I did. So that's an example of a drawing, a 2-dimensional drawing. But it has 6 sides. All right? Like a dice has 6 sides. Is there an emergency, Asa? Well, you'll have to wait 2 minutes. Okay? We're 2 minutes away from the end of class. Another way to draw this, so that you can figure it out, would be to draw out those 6 sides this way. Oh, I'm running out of room. That's not a perfect drawing, but if we were to fold this up, if these were sides for this, and we folded this up, we would have a box. And if you know that if it's a perfect cube, and one of them is 10, one side is 10, then what's the area of each of these pieces? 100, right? 10 by 10. So if each piece was 100, we can find what's called the surface area of that box. And that's the point of drawing it out like this.
So would the formula be to figure out the surface area? Would that be 100 times the number of boxes?
If you had a bunch of boxes, yes. Yep. But if you put those boxes together, some of the sides are not going to be exposed, are they? Right? So, if we had one box, this works. All right? Let's talk about what a prism is. In your book, it gives you an example of a prism. A prism has a shape, and that shape is on each base. So since it's a 3-dimensional box, it'll have a shape like this on each end, and then it has sides that are connected. Okay? Something like that. So the sides, these are called lateral faces. Quiet, please. These are called lateral faces, the sides of them. And so in order to figure out the area of that, you'd have to draw each base, if the base was a triangle. And then you'd have to figure out how many faces it would have, lateral faces. If it's a triangle, how many faces does it have? 3, right. 1, 2, 3. So you'd have to find the area of each triangle, and then you'd have to find the area of each rectangle and add them all together. Yeah. A pyramid. Pyramids have one base. If it's a rectangular pyramid, that means the base is a rectangle or a square. And then it has 4 sides. So gets to this one. It has 4 triangles like this, and then they would all fold up together to make a pyramid. All right? So this is a square pyramid, or it could be a triangular pyramid. and then have 3 sides. Right? Max. And then a cone, which has a circle, and then a lateral face wrapped around it. We won't be drawing nets of cones. All right? This is just for definition.
Is this going to be in our test tomorrow?
No, not the sphere and cone. The cylinder will be.
Will these ones?
All right? So copy this one down. And again, this is in lesson 10.4 in your book. So refer to that lesson. But when you're finding a cylinder, since a cylinder has a base, actually 2 bases that are congruent circles, they're the same size. So you have to find the area of one of the circles and multiply it by 2. Let's say that this radius is it's 5. So that would be 5 squared times 3.14. That would give you the area of one circle. And since they're congruent, that means they're the exact same size. Then you would need the base and the height also. The height and the base. And then you would put all of those together in order to find the area. Okay?
Is this going to be in our quiz tomorrow?
So these pieces and finding the area is a lot like finding the area of the shapes that you did for today. Okay? It's very similar to finding the area when you have a figure like this, where you have to find the area of the pieces and then add them together. So I will have, on the quiz tomorrow, I will have some drawings like this. And you will have to find, figure out whether it's a prism, a pyramid, or a cone, and then find the area, what's called the surface area of those pieces, based on those drawings. All right, you know how to find, listen class, quiet. Stop talking. Listen please. You already know how to find the area of a triangle. You know how to find the area of rectangles. Triangles, rectangles, and circles. So you know how to find the area of each piece and then you just add them together. Okay? Find the area of each piece and add them together. That's what this is about. Okay? Now you'll also have to be able to find the area of parallelograms and trapezoids. So make sure you study the area of the trapezoid, the 2 bases added together, times the altitude, and then divide it by 2, the trapezoids, okay? Any questions?
No.
All right, study for your quiz.
Yeah, I'm gonna.